Downloading data from Yahoo Mail can help you keep a backup of your important emails and information. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account security. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then navigate to Account Security. Step 3. Enable account key if necessary. If you haven't already set up an account key, you may need to enable it for added security. Follow the prompts to set it up, which may involve verifying your identity through your phone or another method. Step 4. Go to Data Download. Return to the Account Info section and look for the Privacy option. Click on it, and then find the Download Your Data link. This will direct you to the Data Download page. Step 5. Request your data. On the Data Download page, select the types of data you want to download, such as emails, contacts, and calendar events. Follow the prompts to request your data, and you will receive an email notification once the download is ready. Make sure to check your email for the download link and follow any additional instructions provided. This process will help you keep your Yahoo Mail data secure and accessible.